In Chapter 5 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrator encounters a series of unsettling events that further propel him into the chaotic world that he and Tyler Durden are beginning to weave. The chapter begins with the narrator on a flight back home, where he learns from airport security that his luggage has been left behind for inspection. The reason cited for this action is that his bag was vibrating, leading to suspicions it might contain a bomb. However, it is later revealed by a security personnel that the cause of the vibration was merely an electric razor. This personnel shares that vibrating luggage is usually due to an electric razor, but on rare occasions, it might be something more embarrassing, like a dildo. Upon attempting to return to his condominium, the narrator is met with a shocking scene. His home has exploded, rendering all of his possessions, to which he once attached great significance, destroyed. This list of belongings ranged from furniture to kitchenware, all of which symbolized his consumerist lifestyle and, as he reflects, made him a slave to his nesting instinct. This incident leads him to ponder on the notion that one's possessions ultimately end up owning them. The cause of the explosion is uncertain, with police speculating it could have been due to a gas leak or even arson. Left with nowhere else to turn, the narrator decides to call Tyler for assistance, asking for a place to stay and expressing a desire to be saved from striving to be perfect and complete. This request is made during a meet-up at a bar where both of them get drunk, setting the stage for a pivotal moment in their relationship and the overall narrative of Fight Club. In a moment, emblematic of the shift in the narrator's trajectory towards embracing chaos and rejecting societal norms, Tyler asks for a favor that would redefine their bond. "I want you to hit me as hard as you can." This request, stark and startling, is emblematic of the themes of destruction and rebirth that pervade the novel. It marks the inception of Fight Club, a concept built on the idea of men rediscovering themselves through primal aggression and unshackling from the binds of materialism and societal expectations. This chapter thus serves as a bridge, moving the narrator from his life of conventional materialism into the anarchic, liberating chaos that defines his relationship with Tyler and the foundation of Fight Club. That's all for today. If you like this bookly chapter summary, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.